Yo everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I've got another Primark haul. Oh my god, and you know what, while I'm filming this video I haven't even edited and uploaded my last Primark haul. You will see it by the time this video goes up, so you're probably like, what's she talking about? But yeah, so if anyone can say Primark addict, I'm addicted to the place. I can't help it. The stuff is affordable. There's so much different things there, and I really love the fact that they're so sneaky and sly that they make knockoffs of pretty much every brand out there at a much more affordable price. So I've actually got quite a few things to get through. So most of them are makeup, beauty related, accessories and that sort of thing, and then a couple of other things thrown in. So I'm not going to show it in any particular order. I'm just going to show you how I remove it from the bag. So the first one, and probably one of the most exciting things, is this electronic brush cleaner and dryer. This is apparently a dupe for the Style Pro one. So it's basically a machine. I haven't used it yet, by the way. It's a machine, you put batteries in it and you attach your brush to the machine and you put it in and it whizzes it around and in water or something and cleans it. If you want me to do like a review on this and a demo, let me know, because I'm really excited to see whether this is actually any good, because the Style Pro one or something is like £40. This is £8. And if you hear that squeaky noise, you know what it is, guys. By now you know it's the summer, is hot, and in my garage there's like no ventilation, so apologies for that noise. Another thing I got was this travel hairdryer, which cost £6.50. Now I actually do have a travel hairdryer, but it's so rubbish. And when you've got hair like mine, which is thick and long, you really don't have time to be waiting 100 years and it's just doing nothing. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm hopeful that it's going to be good. I'm going on holiday again in August. I'm going to Amsterdam with my best friend, which I will vlog, and you'll finally get to meet my best friend in on a camera. So I'll be taking this with me, so I'm hoping that it does a good job to dry my hair while I'm out there. Don't laugh, but I couldn't resist. Look at Cuties! It's a Mickey Mouse rucksack. It's a little rucksack. Look, I like the fact that it's just on the right side of naff. It's not naff, cheap chavvy naff. It's like naff but cute sort of thing, because it's completely black obviously, and the only diamantes on it are the ears and the little kind of brooch on the front. But this is something that again I bought probably to take to Amsterdam with me, because it's travel friendly, it's easy to carry around, it's black so it goes with everything, and it's so cute. And this cost £12. A bunch of pants and socks and tights, which you guys don't need to see, but I buy all my pants, just an FYI, from Primark, because they're so cheap. I literally wear them for a couple of months and then throw them in the bin, because I believe when it comes to things like knickers, the hygiene kind of thing, that you should replace them quite often. Same sort of thing as like with toothbrushes and stuff. I think underwear goes in that category too. And I don't have the kind of funds to be going to Marks and Spencer's every other minute to spend £10–12 on a pair of pants when I can buy them for £2.50 from Primark. I got these eyeshadow covers, or shadow shield things, whatever you want to call them. So they're the ones you stick under your eyes to protect your makeup from fallout. There's 30 in here and it's £1.50. How good is that? I've never bought these purely because I refuse to spend the kind of prices that like the rest of the market is asking for something which you're going to throw away as soon as you use it, just to catch a fallout. I'd rather hold a tissue under my eye rather than spend that kind of money. So £1.50 for 30, it was a no-brainer. I got this pretty necklace. It's like a rose gold with diamantes all over it, and I like it just because it was all sparkly. But I don't know about you guys, I hate tassels. I've got this weird thing about them. I can't even look at it. They creep me out. So I'm actually going to remove the tassels from the bottom, which I can do, just so that I can wear it on its own. It's quite simple but yet quite sophisticated and sleek. And this costs £5. I got this lip contour kit. It's a matte liquid lipstick and liner set. So you get 2 liquid lipsticks and 1 liner. And it's the Pink Edit is what this is called. And it costs £3. So I think the colours look okay. But what I have found with Primark is that no matter what the colour looks like inside the tube, it's never what it actually looks like on your face. So we'll see. Oh my god, this is probably one of my favourite things that I got from there. Look at that. This is the Artist Palette Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette. Now they had a glitter one as well, which looked awful. It was like cream glitter. I was like, what is that? Then I saw this hiding next to it and I thought, oh my god, I've got to have it. It's got so many beautiful, typically summer, spring colours, pastels, light colours. There's no black in it. And I like the fact that there is a really nice equal mix of mattes and shimmers. So if you guys want me to do a makeup tutorial using this, let me know below, because I think it will come out really beautiful and it's so exciting. And this costs £8, which is amazing considering how many eyeshadows are actually in here. There's 28 eyeshadows. That's excellent. All right, that was from the big bag because those are big things. Now we're going to start off with the little bag, which has actually got hundreds of little things in it. So we'll go through it one by one. So the first thing is this, it's a matte liquid lipstick and lip liner. They've got their new trend, which is out at the moment, which is for the summer, I assume, is this tropical contour. Is that what it says? Tropical contour. Yeah, well, I don't understand the whole contour thing, but it's like a tropical collection. So you will see it in the trending section, which is their new in section. But with Primark, when it comes to makeup and Primark in general, they're very trend led. So they change their products again and again and again. So if you buy something in April, it may not necessarily be there in May. So it's one of those brands where if you're there, get it then, because you won't be able to get it the next day. They actually didn't have the whole range. There was an eyeshadow palette I saw on the promo picture and some lipsticks. But the branch I went to in Watford didn't have them yet, but they had a section which was empty, so I assume that's where they're going to go. So I may visit there again soon, just so that I can get my hands on the eyeshadow palette, because it looked gorgeous. So I got this liquid lipstick. I have actually worn it, and it's not bad. Some people I know that have tried it have found it really drying, but I find that's what happens if you apply too much of the product. Their liquid lipsticks are quite liquidy, meaning that you have to layer them more than once, because you can see your natural lip line or your natural lip colour through it. So I layered it twice and it was perfectly fine. From that collection again, I got this eyelash curler. I know you're probably thinking, like, doesn't everyone have one? I actually don't. I threw all of mine away ages ago. They were broken, they were old, they were tatty. So when I saw this, and plus it's got that whole duochrome kind of look to it, I thought, why not? This cost £2. And this, by the way, costs £3.50. Also from the same range, here we go. It's, is it called Exotica? Because it says it on the other one. Well, whatever, tropical. I got these 2-pack of tweezers as well, because tweezers are tweezers, right? We can always do with new tweezers. I got these eyelashes from the SoSu range, which is Suzanne Jackson. I don't know who she is. And this is the Glam Lash collection. I really like the look of these because they look like my Cocoa lashes in the style Queen Bee, which is one of my favourite lashes. This is in the style Milan. So I'll be looking forward to trying these. These cost £5. And then I also got the more affordable part of their eyelashes, and these ones are £2, and they are called 3D Vixen, and they look cool, big, fluffy. That's how I like them. I got this multi-cosmetic sharpener, which was £1.50. My sharpener, my Anastasia Beverly Hills ones, which was not cheap, is broken. Like, just goes to show, I bet this is the best I've ever used. Another thing that I was so impressed about was these. I bought 2 of them. It says Lash Addict on it. They're eyelash cases, guys. They hold up to 3 pairs of eyelashes and they cost £3. They had this style, and then they had another one which was like in a gold case, and I think it was from the SoSu collection, but I found those ones just looked a bit like, it was just gold and a bit cheap looking. I thought these are cool, they're sleek, and they have hashtag Lash Addict on it, so the hashtag excited person in me decided to buy them. So these will be amazing for traveling, because I don't know about you guys, I always end up using putting my lashes back in their original box, and it takes up so much unnecessary space, especially if you are traveling abroad or going to the gym or whatever. You can just keep them nice and tidy in here, and that's the reason why I bought 2. Oh my god, don't laugh at me, guys. So basically, for those of you that have Instagram, blogs, that sort of thing, and you like to do swatches on yourself, go to Primark and get your hands on these. These are a 5-pack body and hair stencils, and it costs £1.50. I bought 5. I really want to up my Instagram game a little bit. Follow me at Charlena, where you can see all my makeup looks and clothes and other things. And these have got a variety of different stencils. I haven't opened it yet, but fish scales, I can see through it, stars, waves on the other side as well. And that's the reason why I bought 5 packets, because I know that I will get through them. But really good idea, to be honest. I also got this nail cuticle sharpener. So it's to push back and shape your cuticles, basically. Cost £2. Useful when I do my nails. This was also from that tropical collection. It's a Mineral Glow Baked Blusher, and it looks like this. It's bright, and obviously it's to go with this whole collection. And have I used this yet? No, I haven't. It's a gorgeous kind of peachy coral shade. Lovely. I also got this highlighter called Peachin, and it's basically like it looks like a baked highlighter to me, but look at how gorgeous that is. Like, look, so pretty. And this costs £2.50. Hello Huda Beauty. Doesn't that look exactly like those Huda Beauty minis liquid lip sets? To the point where they've even put like a picture of lips on the side. So this is the liquid matte, the nude edit. They had a pink edit too, but they all looked way too pale for my skin tone. And to be honest, I think maybe one of these maybe as well, but 1 out of 4 isn't bad. This costs £4, you guys. I got this lipstick, and what colour is it? Does it even... This is the problem with Primark. They don't write colours and things. It just says matte. But there were these whole matte lipsticks there, and guess what? I liked this colour. I opened the tester, I looked at it, it was like nice colour. Every single one of them was open. What is wrong with people? If there is a tester there, why do you need to go and open all the new ones when you've got a tester, which is in perfectly good condition? I don't understand the mentality of it. I just don't get it. So anyway, so I had to look at for one which looked okay. So basically they were all open. You can see the plastic is all here, and I opened it up and I saw that this had not actually been used. So some idiot opened it up just to look at it. They didn't even swatch it. What was the point? But anyway, when I got to the till, because the woman saw that it had been opened, and I told her it wasn't me, because otherwise I'm buying it. She only, so as I was saying before, my SD card decided to tell me it was full. They only charged me £1 for this because it was already open. Great customer service, Primark. I also got 2 of these metallic matte liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade brown and this is in the shade gold, and they are exactly as they are described. This is a pure gold metallic liquid lipstick. This is a pure brown metallic liquid lipstick. There was also another one which was like bronze or something, and it was just awful. I thought, oh my god, I can't wear that. Even this gold one, I'm thinking, so I'm basically going to be like Goldfinger, right? Because my mouth's going to be completely gold. £2 each. We'll see what it looks like. Maybe I can layer them. I also bought another one of their eyeshadow primers. As you guys know, I'm a big fan of these. For some reason, they normally come in a box, but they didn't this time, but whatever. It's £2. And I bought one lip liner for £1 in the shade Bordeaux, and I got one for my mum as well. Not that she even noticed. She was just like, cheers, and kind of threw it on the side. And then the last few things are these palettes right here. This one here, which is called Glitter Junkie. From what I saw, I think this Glitter Junkie whatever is another trend of theirs that they had, because they had a whole section there. And this is an eyeshadow palette. I didn't like the other stuff that I saw, but I did like the look of this one. So it's got a nice variety of shades. Lots of mattes and shimmers. There are more shimmers than mattes, but I really like the matte shade, like this peach one, a really pretty magenta shade, and this lilac shade. And I really like the look of this green. It looks like a really intense kind of bright spring green colour. So I'll be interested to see what this one looks like when I wear it. The other two that I've got, this one here is firstly this palette here, which is called Highlight and Sculpt Cheek Palette. It's just called Glow Palette. It doesn't really help. They don't come out with proper names. So there's this golden one. So basically, this one reminds me a lot of the Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think it's the Sun Dipped palette. Is that the one with the shade Tourmaline in it or something? Anyway, looks exactly like it, doesn't it? Wouldn't surprise me if they did copy it, to be honest. I love Primark. And then this other palette, which is also a highlight and cheek palette, or highlight and sculpt cheek palette, is this one here. I'm not really sure what you can use to sculpt with though. Like, there's no contouring shades. They're all shimmery, and I wouldn't even use them as highlighters. They're all shimmery blushes. I mean, you can't put, look, that's just to, even on the deepest skin tones, if you put that bright orange on, you'll just be like, is that your blush? Why is it up there, you know? But I really like these bright and intense shades. They look gorgeous. I'm really looking forward to trying these as well. My addiction with Primark is seriously going into overload. I only went in there to pick up one thing and came out after spending nearly £100. Bad Charlena. So that's it. What else can I say? On my lips, I'm wearing Anastasia Beverly Hills Craft Liquid Lipstick. And yeah, so that's it. So like I said, if you'd like me to do another tutorial, because I've done 2 Primark ones now, I'm happy to do another one, just because their stuff is always new stuff coming in. And like I said, it's very trend led, and it's always nice to be able to show affordable makeup for you guys, because I don't want you guys to ever think that, all she ever does is show us high-end stuff. It's not within our budget. We're not at the same age as her. Obviously, I'm at an age where I can afford, mashallah, anything that I want to get myself when it comes to makeup. But I also remember being at the age where that was not possible. I had one lipstick, one blush and a cheap foundation, and that was it. If a brand like Primark had been around when I was 19 years old, I would have been in there every day. So I really want to show you guys that you don't have to spend loads of money to look as lovely as you can do with higher end makeup. If anything, I find a lot of Primark stuff to be better than the higher end stuff, because it just goes to show how much we're ripped off when it comes to a lot of brands when the quality is exactly the same, if not better. That's it for my little bit at the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Also, follow me on Snapchat, follow me on Instagram. I'll link it here, because whenever I actually do go to Primark, go shopping or whatever, I'm always showing what I'm getting. Because let's say you're going to see this video now, even though the day I'm filming it, it may not go up for 2 weeks, and then a lot of this stuff will be sold out and you may not be able to get it. So follow me on those social media, because you will also see stuff which is up to date there and then of that day, and then you can always go out and buy it for yourself if you want to. So that's it. I'll see you all in the next video.